Hey everybody, Elliot Cribbs with MarineMax down in Savannah, Georgia. Today we're on a brand new Yamaha 222 FSH Sport E. This is the E model with the rocket launchers on the T-top, integrated speakers in the hard top, a few courtesy lights. So starting off in the aft of the boat, starboard side, you have a see-through live well, a nice entertainment space, plenty of cup holders, custom cooler, a leaning post with reversible seating. You can still look out the back of the boat. Come to the console. 9-inch Simrad display, electronic throttles, full glassed-in windshield with your GPS antenna. Plenty of storage on each side. Has a filler cushion for the bow, and you can take them off, have a full casting platform, 2 speakers up front, and your anchor locker with a sea deck on top. Give you some more look at the hard top, another courtesy light up front, and then a large storage area. Enough room for a head, life jackets, anything of that nature. If you have any more questions about this boat or any boat we carry, call MarineMax Savannah at 912-897-9881.